Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll walk you through finding your Roblox user ID on your mobile in 2025. Let's do this. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming tips. Alright, let's get started. First, exit the Roblox app on your phone. Yep, we can't do it there. Open your browser like Safari or Chrome and head to roblox.com. Tap the link or type it in. Scroll down and hit Continue in Browser, then log in with your username, email, or phone number and password. Tap Continue in Browser again to enter the site. Next, tap the three lines in the top left, select Profile, and you're there. To grab your user ID, tap the URL bar, highlight the numbers after user slash and before slash profile. Got it selected? Hit copy, and that's your ED. Use it for trading or friend invites. Also, double-check it matches your profile. And that's it. You've successfully found your Roblox user ID on mobile. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.